Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots where we discuss the high-impact news events that are coming our way in the financial world very soon. We want to be aware of all of these so we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. In today's video, we'll be discussing the dates of October 11th through October 14th. That is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Beginning with Wednesday, we'll find ourselves with news out of the U.S. at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time and again at 2 p.m. Eastern Time out of the U.S. As we work our way into Thursday, we'll find news out of the UK at 2 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time back out of the US, and then at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time on the opposite end of the day, we'll have high-impact news coming at us out of China. As we work our way into Friday, we'll find news at 4 a.m. Eastern Time out of the UK, 10 a.m. Eastern Time out of the US, and then finally, as we reach the sweet weekend, getting our way into Saturday, where there is an actual notable financial event happening at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and it's coming at us out of the UK on Saturday. Other than that, good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you all very soon.